Alright guys, so I got this package from Filterwears, and it's supposed to work for rain repellent, and it's specifically made for the HKS filter that I have. So let's go ahead and open it and let's see how it goes on. So automatically out the bag, you can see it's from Filterwears. It's a nice little Instagram follow tag. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see if we can install it right now. Alright, so right out the bag, and that's pretty much it. They do make them for different filters for K&N, for AEM, HKS. It's all water repellent covers, so because of this I could drive it in the rain now. Put my hood or my light. Let's see if I could do this one-handed. Nope. Alright, let me put the camera down and I'll show you guys. Alright, there we have it. It's on. It's held down by an elastic around it. I mean, it was pretty easy to put on. You just gotta make sure it's all evenly installed, which it is. Now let's go ahead and turn it on and see if it still breathes as normal. It still works. We got some water right here. There we go. Nothing happened. I recommend it. Go ahead and go on to filterwears.com.